Division of rational expressions. We know from arithmetic that division is the inverse operation of multiplication. In other words, division is the multiplication with the inverse. For the division of two numerical fractions, we have the following shown on screen. This rule is also valid for the division of rational expressions. Thus, replacing a, b, c and d in the formula with p, x, q, x, r, x, and s, x, respectively, yields we have the following shown on screen. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Example. Do the following operations, we have the following shown on screen. Solution. A. Applying the properties of division and multiplication of rational expressions yields, we have the following shown on screen. B. Applying the properties of division and multiplication of rational expressions yields, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 11.4.6. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.4.7, the addition and subtraction of rational expressions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.